guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today I'm going to show you how I make my house seasoning. I talk about it a lot in a lot of my recipes. It's wicked easy, it's very quick. I just wanted to show you how I do it.
All you need is some salt, pepper, garlic powder, a 1 cup measuring cup, and a 1/4 measuring cup, and a funnel.
Put a lot of the spices in these big containers, okay? So when it's empty, I take the label off, clean it all up, and then I use it for other things. So I just took the label off, and this is where I'm gonna put all my house seasoning in, okay? So really simple. 1 cup of salt. Just regular salt. I get in a little funnel. 1 cup of salt. Then it's garlic powder, not garlic salt. 1/4 cup of garlic powder. It's almost it, so I'm just gonna put it all in there. Okay. Woo. It's garlicky. Okay. And 1/4 black pepper. Okay. Whatever. Obviously fine black pepper. 1/4 cup of black pepper. And this little container seems to be exactly the right size that I need. So there you go, all 3. And you're just gonna mix it up. And you're gonna use this on all your stuff. On hamburgers, on anything that you want salt and pepper on, and a little bit of garlic. This is wonderful. Steaks, chickens, fish, I put on everything. So, and I love it that it's all here. I don't have to try to find my garlic powder, my salt, my pepper. It's all here. And I just keep making more when I'm ready. So try it. I think you'll like it.